This is a 1992 Toastmaster Model 4437 20-inch box fan. I bought this thing 4 years ago for $3 at a thrift store. The fan motor originally was in really bad shape. Like, it had a really bad whine and it hummed really loud. So after about a month of use, the motor finally gave up in a ball of sparks and smoke. So the motor is actually from 1991. That's why it looks so rusty, because the fan it came out of was very rusted out and in horrible condition. It does have the other fan's blades too, as when I got this fan, the whole top corner of the blade was gone. Something smashed the top of this fan. I don't know what, but other than that, this fan is perfect. It's got no rust or nothing. So it's a sweet fan, but it does have its faults to it. But they'll all be fixed eventually. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and look for the video of this thing all fixed.